Hello friends, today's topic is predictive coding or context based algorithm. Okay, so this predictive coding is not very popular just like LZ algorithm. Okay, but in the predictive coding we make or we encode the sequence by making some prediction by using some context based algorithm. Okay, so the basic of the predictive coding is that if the distribution or the transformation, if the distribution or transformation is based on the history of the sequence, and this history is available to both encoder and decoder, then there might not be any need to transmit the additional information to the encoder or to the decoder. So we only work on the history and we make some prediction for the sequence which is to be encoded. Okay, so if we use that history to determine a sequence in a predictive manner, means we predict some encoding scheme on the base of that history, then such scheme is known as predictive coding or context based coding. This algorithm is also known as context based algorithm because for making some prediction which is based on the history, that history uses some context which is of order 1, 2 and so on. Okay, now the best popular known context based algorithm is PPM, which PPM stands for predictive with partial match. This algorithm is totally based on context based algorithm. Okay, so this algorithm says that if we use a large context to determine the probability of the symbol which is being encoded, and while doing this we have to reduce the burden for estimating the probability as the coding proceed. So in this in PPM algorithm we only need to store those contexts that have occurred in the sequence which is being encoded. The first point is this, that we store only those contexts. Second point is that at the beginning of the encoding, we will need to code the letters that have not occurred previously, in the context. Okay, so PPM's first point is PPM store only those contexts which have been occurred in the sequence which is being encoded, and at the beginning of the encoding we need only code those letters only which are not previously occurred. Okay, and third main important point is then in PPM we use an escape symbol. And we denote like this. Escape symbol is used to signal that the letters to be encoded has not been seen in the context. Okay, so these are three main important points for the PPM algorithm, and we implement the PPM, prediction with partial match, PPM algorithm by using the basic algorithm. Okay, so this implementation of PPM is implemented by basic algorithm, and I will explain this algorithm, basic algorithm, in my next video. Thanks for watching.